Hello students, welcome to the new session. In this session, let us see past perfect continuous tense. Okay. So when do we use it? See here, it is used to denote an action that began before a certain point in the past and was going on for some time. In the past, in a certain point, the action started and it continued. It was going on for another point. Okay, means the process it was going on for a long time. During this situation, we can use past perfect continuous tense. Then, what is the structure of past perfect continuous tense? Let us see. Subject, after that had, after that been, after that V4 form of the verb, after that object plus since or for, after that any time indicator. Okay, subject, had, been, V4 form, object, since or for, after that time indicator. Okay. For example, he had been playing cricket for 3 hours. He had been playing cricket for 3 hours. Here, see here, subject here, after that had, after that been you have used, after that V4 form or plus ing form you have used, and object cricket, after that for and later 3 hours. Okay, this is structure of the sentence. And here, whichever person you use, that is no matter, for everything it is same. Okay, in the place of he, if you use I also, it remains same. I had been playing cricket for 3 hours. They had been playing cricket for 3 hours. Okay. And another example, the teacher had been teaching us since January. The teacher had been teaching us since January. Here you are using since because particular point of time is there, January is there, and here only period of time is there, that's why you have used for. Here point of time is there, you have used since. The teacher had been teaching us since January. Okay. Now let us see how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. See, subject had, after that not you have to use been, after that before form, after that object plus since or for and time indicator. Okay, see here. He had not been playing cricket for 3 hours. He had not been playing cricket for 3 hours. Okay. Only thing you have to do is you have to add not, then it becomes negative. Okay. Affirmative sentence changed into negative. And like that only. Another example, the teacher had not been teaching since January. Okay, the teacher had not been teaching us since January. Okay, Then how to make interrogation? Interrogative sentence also, it is very easy. First you have to take had, after that subject, after that been, after that before form, object, since or for, time again. Okay. Now you see here, had he been playing cricket for 3 hours. See here. Had he been playing cricket for 3 hours? Okay. Had, first you have to take, okay, that helping verb, have verb, its past tense form. Had you have to take first. After that, he been playing cricket for 3 hours. Okay. This is way of asking questions. Affirmative sentence, you are changing into interrogative sentence. Now let us see interrogative negative. Okay. Here, had you have to take, after that subject, not, been, before form, object, plus since or for again. See here. Had he not been playing cricket for 3 hours. See here. Had he not been playing cricket for 3 hours? Had he not been playing cricket for 3 hours? Okay, like this. It is one structure. Another structure you can see here. Hadn't you have to take first. After that, subject. After that, been. After that, before form, object, plus since or for push. So let us take that teacher example. Hadn't the teacher been teaching us since January? See here. Hadn't the teacher been teaching us since January? Okay. This is another way of making interrogative negative. Okay. You can ask same thing also here. This sentence also you can change. Hadn't he been playing cricket for 3 hours? Okay. Okay. With this we have one more thing. Another situation in which we can use past perfect continuous tense. In the past, repeated action is there. In the past, repeated action is there. To indicate that repeated action also, we can use past perfect continuous tense. For example, Geeta had been trying to call them since morning. Geeta had been trying to call them since morning. Okay. Here had been trying, it is what a repeated action. In the past, Geeta had been trying. Okay. To indicate like this repeated action also we can use past perfect continuous tense. Okay. With this we have completed past perfect continuous tense. Let us go for the future tenses, simple future tense in the next session. Thank you for watching.